If you're having issues with the colors on your Windows computer, it is likely due to a problem with color management. So in this guide, we will show you how to fix color management. Now you can uninstall the recent Windows update to get your color management back up and running. To do it, open Control Panel, select Programs and Features, click on the View Installed Updates, look for the most recent update that you installed, then click Uninstall, restart your computer, and your color management should start working again. Next, update the graphics driver. Just open Device Manager, double-click Display Adapters to expand the category, right-click on your graphics device, and then select the Update Driver option. Next, select Search Automatically for drivers and follow the prompts to install the latest driver. Then, you have to restart your computer if prompted, then open Color Management again to check if the issue is resolved. As for your last resort, try to perform a factory reset on Windows. You just have to open Settings, click System, choose Recovery, click on Reset PC to get started. Then you will have two initial options to choose from when you factory reset Windows 10 or Windows 11 this way. You can keep your files or remove everything. Picking Keep My Files sets your operating system options back to default and removes all your installed apps but keeps your files. True to its name, removing everything is a full factory reset, and it puts all options back to factory defaults and removes all your files and applications. Once you're done picking your option, restart your PC and check if the color management works now. And that's what you should do if you're having troubles with color management not working in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.